Hey there! Welcome back to Solar Decoded, your one-stop channel for everything solar. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Alright, so let's get straight to the point. How much do solar panels really cost? This is one of the most common questions I get, and today I'm going to break it down for you in simple terms. First things first, the cost of solar panels can vary widely depending on their size, efficiency, and the brand you choose. Let's start with the basics, the sizes. Most residential solar panels come in three main sizes: small, medium, and large. Small panels typically generate around 250 watts of power. Medium panels, you're looking at about 300 to 350 watts. And the big guys, the large panels, can generate upwards of 400 watts or more. So, how does this translate to cost? Small panels usually cost between $150 to $250 each. Medium panels, they're generally in the range of $200 to $350. And large panels, these can set you back anywhere from $300 to $500 per panel. Keep in mind, these prices can fluctuate based on the manufacturer and the quality of the panel. But wait, there's more to consider than just the panel cost. Installation, labor, and additional equipment like inverters and mounting systems will also add to your overall expenses. On average, the total cost for installing a solar panel system in the US falls between $15,000 and $25,000 before any tax credits or incentives. Now that sounds like a lot, but don't hit the panic button just yet. There are fantastic incentives out there like the federal tax credit, which can knock off a significant chunk of that cost. Depending on your state, you might even find additional rebates and incentives that can make the switch to solar even more affordable. Let's break it down with an example. Say you go for a medium-sized system with 20 panels. If each panel costs around $300, your panel cost alone would be $6,000. Add in installation and other equipment, and you're looking at around $18,000 total. But after applying the federal tax credit, which is currently 26%, you could save about $4,680, bringing your total down to around $13,320. Pretty neat, right? One more thing, don't forget to look at the long-term savings. Over 20 to 25 years, a typical solar panel system can save you between $10,000 and $30,000 on your electricity bills. So, while the upfront cost might seem steep, the long-term savings and environmental benefits make it worth considering. And there you have it. A quick breakdown of solar panel costs and what you can expect when making the switch to solar. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on solar energy. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep shining bright.